So here's some of the plants I picked out. Got these little adorable decorative cabbages. So this is kind of stuff for window boxes and planters, and then just flower beds like these perennials. But there was a lot of really fun plants. These do amazing. Yeah. So yes, very, very excited to plant. Jeff gave me these, so tons of little roses. We've got a nice variety of different perennials and annuals for the flower beds. Some hydrangeas, and Jeff bought a few roses for here. So, very, very excited to get started planting. And here's a quick tour of some of the spring flowers that are blooming.